tired of guessing. I always guess wrong. But if I had to guess, it's kind of shaped like a bullet lipstick. Watch it be like a serum. Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what is in the June Allure box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so we have a few more months to go. I know Allure, many of you at one time subscribed back when it was $15. They raised their price. I paid for a whole year, which you can only do one time, and I did that last October, so I have until October, but my boxes only cost $13.75 because of the 1 year all at once fee. Otherwise, you gotta pay $23 a month. I digress. All right, let's see what we got this month and cross our fingers that it's continuing to improve. Here is the little pamphlet, which will have full-size item prices and give the editors information on each product. All right, so the first one's big. This is from Skin&Co Roma, and this is the Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. It's made in Italy, and I know it's fantastic already because I already have one open in my shower, which I believe I got from ESPA. Don't quote me on that. This smells good. It feels fantastic on the skin. This product, or this company brand, makes really great products. I am excited to have another backup of this in my life. This is full size, and it retails for $35. All right, next item. What is this? I'm tired of guessing. I always guess wrong. But if I had to guess, it's kind of shaped like a bullet lipstick. Watch it be like a serum. Yeah, I wasn't even close. This is from Donginbi, $18.99. I'm sure I just butchered that name. And it's an essence, full size, retails for $54.99, which is 70 milliliters. This here, I presume, will be 15 milliliters. Ooh, it's red. Look how pretty. Yes, this is 15 milliliters, so it's a sample, and this is a Korean product. I'm excited to give this a try. I love Korean skincare. All right, next item. What is this? I'm going to butcher the name. So this is from Oribe or Oribe. All my hair care loving people, correct me on the proper pronunciation, please. And it's a flash foam finishing spray wax. The full size is, wow, $42. This is a little travel size. And let's see what it smells like and how it works. Apparently, not very good. Apparently it has like a little safety seal around here that I can't get off. We'll just pretend. Shh, 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 shh. Lovely. Okay, next item. So another little sample of some eye patches. Who is this from? Ooh. I know this brand is really shishy. This is from Erno Laszlo, and it's the Multitask Eye Serum Mask. If this is full size, I'm going to crap my pants. Okay, so full size costs $16 for 2 masks. That's, well, 111 skin mask costs more than that. I still don't know if that's full size or not. Probably not. Okay, next item. What is this? We have from ESPA a clarifying clay mineral mask, which retails for $34. And this is 30 milliliters, so I will assume this is full size. All right, last item. What is this? I presume it's on the packaging, which is quite lovely. Oh yes, it's Laruce. We have received these, not the same one, but these are going to be some kind of brush from, I want to say, BoxyCharm, possibly Ipsy. Okay, so we have 3 eye brushes here. That's quite lovely. They are smaller, slightly, than a normal brush. They're light. They're textured on the barrel. They're very soft. Very soft. This one's a little dense. This one's dense as well. This one's very soft blender. All right, I love getting brushes, even though I own so many. I can never have too many brushes. All right, let's see how much this goes for. Presume this will be full size as well if you're getting 3, even though if they may be travel size. No, please, no. $84? No. Allure, really? The Laruce 3-piece brush set retails for $84? Let's get all up and personal so we can see what $84 looks like. When I'm silent, I'm shocked, okay? That is crazy. Alrighty then. At least, you know what? I'm going to say something. If Allure says a price, I'm like 98% more apt to believe it than when Ipsy or BoxyCharm. So every time I've received Laruce brushes from Ipsy or Boxy, I'm always like, yeah, right, that's no brushes are that expensive. Maybe this brand is just really bougie. Let me know down below if that's the case or if you feel the same as I do. Because $84, nah. But Allure said so, therefore, it's a little more believable than if BoxyCharm had that price, to be honest. Okay, I'm going to recap what we got. So we got some really expensive brushes. We got a fantastic cleansing cream from Skin&Co. We got a hair product that I can't get the safety thing off of to test. We got from ESPA a clay mask. We got from a brand I can't pronounce an essence. And from a very shishy brand some under eye patches. All right, what are your thoughts? I'm going to list on the screen the grand total for this box. It's going to be a really high value. I mean, hello, $84. No makeup. Well, I guess it's not makeup. The only thing makeup related are the brushes. Lots of skincare, but these are good skincare, so I'm good with that. Oh, and one hair care product. So let me know. I know everyone's kind of like, I'm over Allure. This is a good box, put it this way. I'm not half as mad at this box as I was my Boxy Luxe. If you missed that, check it out. I want to thank everyone who's made it this far into the video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so by now, I'd love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. I have a 500 subscriber giveaway. Go check out the video for details on how to enter. If you could do me the biggest favor, go down there, click the little guy that looks like this. It would mean the world to me. Leave me a comment, yada yada, all the stuff. You know what to do by now. All right, I really appreciate it. Thanks, everyone.